To open your local website on your phone, you have to connect your internet. You have to connect your internet. My internet is connected already. Then you open your Visual Studio Code or any editor that you are using. Then go to open folder. I want to open folder. Then you click on open folder. Go to documents. The directly of it is documents. Then I want to open my web. Then you select folder. So it is now open. It is now open. Another step is to open your file with live server. Look at it. I have live server ready. If you have it, you will see go live here. Then if you don't have the live server, you can go to extension, type live server. So this is it. Look at it. If you have not installed it, you will see install here, that is uninstall. Why you are seeing uninstall is because I have installed it already. So I have it now. You close it. Let's go back to what we have. Look at it here. Then this is my file. Then I have to open it with live server by right clicking. Go to open with live server. So our website is open already. So we are going to see how we can view it in our mobile phone. Let's go back to where we are. Let's go back. So you are going to open your terminal by holding Control backtick. Control backtick. That's the short form. You click Control backtick. So look at it. What we are going to do next is type ipconfig. ipconfig. We want to get our IP version 4 address because you will use it to connect it with your phone. So when you click or type IP, so when you type ipconfig, you press enter. So look at it here. Look at it. You will see these numbers, and we are focusing on IP version 4 address. Look at the address here. So what you are going to do next is to go to your mobile phone, open your browser, then type in these numbers, which is so after typing it, you have to put column. You have to put column. Then let's go back to our local website. Look at this number. You have to put the last number and the slash there. So you will put 5,500, which is my number, 5,500 slash. Once you put it, then you press search or go. So our local websites have been successfully launched in our phone. Look at it here. So whatever you are doing here will be appearing here. Look at it. It is working fine. So this will help you to see how your website looks on phone instead of deploying it and then maybe later you can find mistake. So yes, our local websites have been successfully connected with our mobile phone. Now you can see how your website looks in your mobile phone. That's how to connect your local website with your phone. If you're having issue in connecting with your phone, you can go to Windows Defender. If you are using Windows, then you click on it. go to this place, click on this, then you go to new rule, select port, click next, type your local port name. Mine is 5500. Yeah, you can enter your own. If you have as many as you can put it in, you can use comma to separate. Then after setting it, you are going to click next, then allow the connection. Next, you can leave all these checked, or you can check only private, then click next. You type the name for it. I want to type F port, then I will click on finish. So when you come here, you will see the F port. So if you are having difficulty in connecting, once you set this port, you can be able to connect on it.